Update for the interior. I have mounting again the dashboard, then the roof with starlight. I have here the bracket. I make the bracket for. Now I am busy with electric wire to rear camera and the electric this trim and the end of the roof. There I have a close all place for the switch, the heat unit, airco, etc, because I have to make that customizer. Only I'm mounting the bracket for the Helm screen heat unit. So the Alpine Helm. So now the unit, get it in this position. Like this. The cable is for what is the name? Sterker. What is this? What is this? The Alpine Sterker. This part we make more stronger music. I don't have area more, so I make that in the rear side of the glove box and location of the airbag here on the side. I make more video about it. This one I'm mounting and I close the wire for the music system and entertainment. There the unit for the star light. So steering column, I have to upgrade everything there.